Oh, that smells really good.
Today we're going to show you how to make these scented mason jar centerpieces with photos of your kids and the new peanut butter and Cocoa Pebbles cereal.
Oh, you can smell the peanut butter.
One of the things that I love about Pebbles cereals is they all have a unique scent. So Fruity Pebbles is fruit scented. Well, with the peanut butter and Cocoa Pebbles, there's peanut butter pebbles that have the peanut butter scent, and then the Cocoa Pebbles that have the chocolate scent. And so it smells just like peanut butter cups, which are my favorite candy. So while I was making this project, I kept smelling it and going, oh my gosh, that smells so good.
That smells really good.
This is a really cute project to make for a party centerpiece, thinking graduation, birthday parties, even holiday parties, because it has that scent experience. Matthew told me that because I made this project and he had to smell it, that he deserves a bowl of the cereal. If you guys like this project, click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and also down in the description is a link where you can go and get the supply list and all of the details about how to make this project. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye. Mom, you need to make me eat these now. You can't make me stuff this and not make me eat it.